Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to change your file format, so your video file format on VLC media player. So you can actually convert, let's say MP4 to AVI or any kind of file format. So let's get right into it. You're gonna go to media and you're gonna go to convert/save. Click on that. After that, you're gonna get already like the add button. I already added before, but it doesn't matter. So click on add and we are going to click on video that we want to convert. Let's say I want this one, click on open, and after that you're gonna click on this arrow right here. We're gonna click on convert and we're gonna get a lot of options here. You are going to go to profile and we can already set the profile we want, but let's say we want more options. You're gonna go to settings, and after that let's say we want that video to be in MKV. After that we're gonna go to video codec, click on video, and here you can have a lot of other options. You can change the bitrate, the codec, the quality, the frame rate, and you can set custom options for your video. After that, in the audio codec you can also change a lot of things, but before that I forgot to mention, in video codec you also have the resolution, which you can change the scale of the video, frame size, width and height, and in the filters option you can set a filter on your video, like already made filter. Let's say you can set the psychedelic video filter. We're gonna go with that. In the audio codec, as you can see, and as I said before, you can change the codec, the bitrate, the channels, and the sample rate. We can change the sample rate to be much higher, which gonna basically change the audio not that much, but it's gonna be a lot better. So in the filters you can also add a filter. You can gain control filter or headphone virtual effect or pitch shifter. There is a lot of stuff. In the subtitles you can make your own subtitles and basically choose a subtitle you want if you have it already. You are gonna set the profile name to whichever name you want, and you're just gonna click on create. After you click on create, it's gonna go in the VLC media like the normal loading player, like it's gonna go to 1% to 100%. After it gets to 100%, your video is gonna be over. So you're gonna click on create. In the destination file you're gonna go to browse and you're gonna set where you want that video to be. Let's see, we want it in music. Click on save, and that's it. You're just gonna click on start and it's gonna finish. You're gonna have a brand new video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys like this tutorial and I hope you guys are gonna watch more of my videos. Bye.